guys, I'm in Primark here in Blanchardstown and I am here to show you all of the Disney stuff they have. They have so many Disney bits, like literally everywhere. I am so excited. Every time I come here I find it really hard to know what to choose or what to pick because there's just so much of it. So I'm going to talk you through a few of the bits that are here. So much fun stuff. So many fun aerial bits. I have like little hanging photo clips, the flounder mug, the little flounder bath thing, the throw, so cute. Let's have this little thing, mermaids only, gorgeous. And then moving over to the Bambi section, little Thumper. I think he's a money box, he is. Oh my god, so cute. They have the little coasters. I've also got this gorgeous like bedspread which I kind of want for my room because it would match in with the colours, and I recently got the throw as well, but I don't know, maybe I'll have to see because I already have 2 new duvet covers and I've only used 1 on the bed so far, so maybe I can't get another one just yet. But what else do they have? Oh my god, oh, they have a little Thumper like thing here as well for washing yourself in the shower. They also have a little kind of note board, really cute. And then I don't know if you saw all this Genie and Aladdin stuff, but I mean I had that before. I absolutely love it. And look at this little pillow in here, so cute. And then the throw as well is as adorable as the big beach blanket. They've got the Genie lamp which you can actually put tea in. It says teapot, how cute. We've got the duvet, the pillow up there again. They've also got an actual like little money box with the Genie's face on it. It's really cute with the Genie mug. Look how massive that is. Oh, there's me. Hi. Hi. What else? Little coasters down here. These are only €5. Absolutely adorable. And then they have all the Mickey Mouse stuff as well, like the picnic stuff for summer, which is really cute. Got like little Mickey Mouse bowls, plastic stirrers, got the little cup set, the photo frame, the salt and pepper shaker which is so cute. How much is this? Let's see. This is only €6 for the salt and pepper shaker. They have the little plates as well, and let's see what the plates are like. Oh, aren't they so cute? Imagine having a picnic with all that stuff. Really cute. What else? Oh, when we come along here, back to the Marie stuff. You may have seen this in some of my other little Disney hauls, but I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed with Marie, as you may well know. I have the I'm Fabulous mug, I had that before. And what else? I'm also obsessed with the Minnie Mouse stuff that they just brought in. Really cute. Look at this throw. Look how gorgeous. Oh my god, it has Minnie face on it. I didn't realise it had her face. How gorgeous is that? I have to invest in that. Another thing that I don't need from Primark, the Disney range. Look at these little diffusers as well that they have. They have one for like each of the little categories. Winnie the Pooh, Minnie. They also have like I think a Tinkerbell one. Is this Tinkerbell one over here? Yeah. Look at that. It says Pixie Dust. How cute. And then they have all this donut stuff as well, which isn't part of the Disney range, but I think it's really cute. Look at the clock. And then this down here, Best Friends Forever. They also have some reduced stuff which isn't Disney but so cool, like this mermaid blanket. Look at that. This is only €12. Bargain. Old favourite Mr. Chip is back again with a new little item. Want to see me do a trick? And then I have the little Chip bubble mug. They're gorgeous. They're only €6 as well. Love that. Oh, and Flounder, we saw him earlier. And look, Buzz is here too from Toy Story. So gorgeous. I love all this stuff. So came across these little guys. Finger puppets, how cute, all Aladdin. And then over here we're back to the throws. Well, they're all plain ones. Let's see what's around here. Oh, Super Mario, Jojo bows. I've seen these ones before, really cute. Oh, look at this. Thank you to my special assistant for bringing this over. Minnie Mouse tea towels. How much are they? They are €6. Oh, they're fab. Look at this. Look at this. It is an ice cream cushion. I'll have to put it down so you can really see it. I really want that. how cute these are. It is, it's a funk apple. Here is the little photo frame again, and then they have all these really cute framed, kind of like be kind. This one says, be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. Oh, I like that one. They're giving me all the motivational feels with that one. I love it. Oh, look what's over here. A Wormtail Mordor's Map beach towel. For the Harry Potter fan. They also have like a little Mickey Mouse version with Daisy Duck and Pluto. Really cute. What's down here? More of these adorable little things. Look at the Marie stuff. This stuff is all new in, the Rugrats stuff. I really like it. I was a big fan of Rugrats when I was younger. There's Reptar, and then they have the pens to match. They have the little Angelica pen too. And then they also have this little one which I think is deadly, whatever. And it's like little kind of sewn on patches. Really cute. I might actually get this for my giveaway. I'm going to be having a giveaway really soon. At 5k, I'm almost at 5k, so if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do, because I'll be doing a giveaway at 5k with lots of fun stuff in it, and that might feature. So yeah, what else do they have here? Gorgeous little bits, loads of Disney stuff, Harry Potter, you name it, it's there. Pusheen, the little Pusheen Potter chocolate frog, just like in the movies. Love that. Harry Potter #1 undesirable. Pusheen pen, Minnie Mouse pen, little cactus, the flamingo. Ooh, that's fun. Lots of cute little accessories here for back to school in September. There's Peppa Pig in case anybody's a fan. Look how gorgeous this is. A sparkly mermaid. Fabulousness. Look at all these ones. Got the Alice in Wonderland Drink Me. This little guy. Honey. The drink. How cute is this? This bunny loves sleep. That is me. Did someone say tea for €7? Gorgeous little night dress. Then you've got all the stuff for the bride to be, bridesmaid to be. So anybody getting married, if they're a Disney fan, perfect. Love this. I woke up like this. Minnie, so cute. So many Mickey and Minnie stuff. Absolutely adorable. I thought this one was gorgeous. True Love. With the silhouettes, really cute. Some Rolling Stones, we're not interested in that. Some more Harry Potter stuff for any Harry Potter fans out there. And then back to the Disney we go. Lovely little Mickey Mouse nightshirts there. And then they also have like little pajama bottoms to match, kind of in with the same theme. Little Chip and Mrs. Potts set there. And some gorgeous Bambi and Thumper ones as well. Really cute. These gorgeous Minnie Mouse ones, and they also have these, the Queen of Napping. I had to stop myself from getting these because I thought they were adorable. They also have Mrs. Potts. And look at these! Oh my god, it is Simba! Thank you to my lovely model for trying them on. Absolutely beautiful. They're fab. How much are they? They're €10. Fabulous. Purple favourite. Really cute little socks there as well. Look at these ones. Oh my god, I just saw these ones. Aren't they so gorgeous? Oh, isn't that so cute? What else they have? This little top. And this one. The bag. So that's it guys, that is all of the Disney stuff in Primark and Blanchardstown. I've talked you through as much of it as I can. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. If you have, a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below and subscribe. And I'll talk to you again real soon. Bye bye.